While waiting for these guys to leave, I heard some strange noise, and I still have no clue what exactly these birds are, but their noises are so funny. Hope you can hear it. I will shut up now and approach slowly. They almost sound like pigs, don't you think? Oink, oink. Don't mind me, guys. Keep talking. Ich kann nicht mehr. Oh, there's another one. Meow, 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 meow. Don't run off. It's all good. Oh, one flew off. Let's see if I can zoom. Maybe some kind of, we call them fasan, maybe pheasant or something. But they look different than in Germany. Ah, now I scared them off.